towards drowning or help if it's a stuffed animal. People are going to think it's a real person. I'm going to show you a tutorial on lake safety. Be cool.
Well, I'll tell you right now, it's the first time I've been in a kayak. Well, no, I lied. First time I've been in a kayak. I had one that was, you zip yourself into. Man, I rolled over and I couldn't get out, and I panicked. That was years ago. But now this one here, once you kind of get used to it, I'm doing YouTube, yeah. So I'm getting more used to it. And I might commence to buy one. Justin and I was in Canadian Tire and it was $2.99 on sale. Sale's over now, but they what do you call it? They get on sale every once in a while. It's the first for me, I'll tell you, right here in a kayak. And I'm getting more daring. I know quite a ways. Long ways. Don't know how deep this lake is, but I know one thing's over my head. You fellas probably can't see very good because I don't have it tilted. There's that guy with that wheeler again. I don't know if you're going to be seeing anything or not. Just, she ain't tilted like it's going to be out like that, right? I don't go too far because if I do roll it, which can happen, I'll be in sort of trouble, but not really. I got a life jacket on. I like the sound of them buggies, man. I gotta get a buggy. I think what I should do is convert the cottage back to the lake to Airbnb. Put up some decks, and put up a wharf, catch yourself a perch. Justin just cast a rod, cast a line there. Yeah, we're trying to bring in the fish.
Made eye contact, looked at me.
I'm surprised I'm up this far. Why, my body's got to get used to the roll, the small roll. Like, is this the one that was on sale, Canadian Tire? And they're easy to deal with, right? They're one-man operation. They're light.
You can get the $1,400 one.
Yeah.
It has the seat and
Oh yeah. Won't be there yet. Gotta get my balance. I got to get another, I got to get a cell phone holder for my head. That way I can put it on my head and have a better view.
They have those class, but actual fishing, they got fish holders.
Would you have something to put your cell phone on maybe to do video on? I guess I can get that and add to it.
You can screw it on, screw a tripod on it.
Yeah, if it's mine, I can screw tripod.
Maybe you put cell phone bags and you keep them in the straps in the front.
Oh,
And you can buy what you do is you buy a floater bag that you strap here.
oh yeah,
For your day use.
oh yeah,
Waterproof baggie with you.
yeah.
You can take pictures through your cell phone.
Oh, is that right?
So that's what you strap to the front.
Ah,
Is to keep all your stuff in.
that thing you was on there, that's pretty stable, isn't it?
Yeah, and that's why your kayak is yours is just broken, but you got the ropes on there too. And you're just supposed to just stick your bags on.
Oh, okay.
The waterproof bag.
Oh, I got you, yeah. You get more used to it. I mean, any minute I'm expecting to fall. You never put that not falling out of your brain because I don't know. A little wobbly there. I know I'm going to fall sometime. And I should fall. I really should fall in deep water. That means I'm gonna, this thing floats. But I'm a ways from people and I have to paddle in, which I can paddle and I can swim. And I have a life jacket, so I think it's all good. In my opinion. And I got little foot things here inside for your feet, so I didn't know that. Justin told me about that, so I put my feet on each little holder down on there. There's a holder down in there. My feet go in there. So that gives me something to push on. Sophie, you're on it. Oh, she flipped on it. Stayed up. A little faster there. I'm getting more daring. Gotta lean on her, guys. When I go in, I guess I got no more phones, so I gotta be careful. I gotta stop that. Yeah. Well, Justin's in a kayak, but looks like he got soaked already. He never left the. Oh, he's got a fishing rod. I think, oh, how's he gonna do that? He's got a fishing rod and a kayak. Yeah, I just have to lay flat. That's right. Just a show off, isn't it? Show off. Show off. Justin, show off. Nothing. Man, you was giving that thing something. How come you sit lower than yours? Is it? Huh? Well, if you catch a big fish, well, don't throw it on my boat because I'm barely dealing with what I'm dealing with. I'm doing way better though, man. I can barely get on it. This is crazy. I never did this in my life. This is what you call, I don't know, peace of mind, relaxing, and I guess having fun. I guess what you call having fun. All I guess did all my life at work, and really had fun. I'm trying this kayak out because, like I said, Justin and I went to Canadian Tire, and they was on for $2.99. And you don't know until you try one. And this is, to me, free trying, right? They everything's. Well, they did all the paying. I'm just a hobo. The hobo come along for the ride. But to get more used to them, I think raise up some money and buy one of these daggone things. And don't know. You fellas probably ain't seen anything. That's the problem, right? I can't give you fellas a better view. You've probably seen the air, which I don't mean to do. If I had something to stick in behind it, like tilt it this way, but I don't. What do I? Like this. Oh, okay.
Yeah, once you get your foot pegged, you lift them up, and you slide forward to your length of your leg.
Yeah.
So your leg's not up like that.
Oh, you put them downward, you mean?
Flip the thing up, push it down.
Well, you're flipping nothing up right now. You ain't catching me flip anything up here. What's going on here?
Got 2 bites already.
Huh? 2 bites? Somebody there with a water jet. That's a good one. Uh-oh. Waves coming. He did it on purpose, that guy. I gotta get out of here. Here comes the wave. Here comes the waves.
Oh my god, how deep is this water?
I gotta face the waves. I gotta face the waves. They have their limits, some guys. They can't come in. Maybe spin this baby right around. I got to order a headset or a chest set to put my phone on. I had one before, but typically me, I'll break them. They get broke. This camera video is probably not going to be any good, you guys, because I can't. Oh, the waves is coming now. The old wake. Yeah, there comes the wake. I should put something behind it. Doggone, I gotta be careful. I might turn into a professional. I pedal a canoe pretty good, but this is not a canoe. But you know what? Right now, I know enough. I know enough to be dangerous. I know enough to buy one. I'll raise some money up. Yeah, I'll sell something, buy one. And they're pretty light. You can carry them around. You can paint them if you want to. I imagine you can. And make them your own. And all that kind of stuff. You can be, every time I see a vehicle driving by, lots of vehicles, they have kayaks and water boards, and I said, man, that's like different for me because I don't use that stuff. But now here I am, pedaling away. Any bites? No hooks, eh? Yeah, these guys are just seeing the skies and trees. My friends ain't seeing what I'm seeing. Oh, that life man, that guy's coming again. Time to head for the shore.
This is going to be a cleanest lake.
Huh?
This is going to be the cleanest lake I've ever seen. Spotless.
Yeah, this is a beautiful lake. Right in Ontario. In Ontario, there's hundreds of thousands of lakes. Hundreds of thousands of lakes in Ontario. Hi-ho. So you don't put your knees here on this.
Push them on your pegs. The balance is easy. Just come in and move them.
No, I'm lowering my knees down now. See? I know my knees was getting, they was hurt like a little bit on that plastic. Keep your body in the middle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one too. I'm more comfortable now, and yes, I admit I'm gonna dump it, and I don't want to dump it with my phone. But pardon? Can't hear you. What?
Something nice to fish on.
Yeah. See, once I get past my body's got to get used to the chop, they call it, the chop of the boat. Like every boat has a roll. Every dragger, fish dragger, lobster boat has a roll to it when you're on the water, and you got to get used to that roll. And this here kayak has a roll, has a chop and a roll, all in itself. And you got to know its limitations. I got to get out of your way because you're trying to catch a fish. I'm gonna head over here. Yeah, I can see myself owning one of these, I believe, because they're reasonable and one man can run it. It's designed for one person, and you can put things on it to make it life worthwhile. If you want to put a cooler on the top, somehow fasten it. If you want a few drinks, sandwich or something. And you can do that. You're just basically just floating around the world today. Floating around in the world today. You're floating around in the world today. You know, a voice travels over the lake, over an ocean, over a body of water, a voice. You know, somebody can holler, sing, and scream, whatever, and it'll go miles and miles because it has no anything to stop it. Like, there's no structure to stop it. It just keeps on going. Guaranteed, way over there, a kilometer away, they can hear us, just like we're in their field, behind their house, you know what I mean? Well, this is quite an enjoyment, you know. And you work up an appetite, and I can eat more patties. What I should do is find a Swiss chalet. That'd be a big meal. I miss eating the Swiss chalet. He sure loves that Swiss chalet. And I could probably play hooky, and binge, and maybe eat mashed potatoes and gravy. Man, I gotta stop. I'm getting hungry. I think my boy's starting to grin. I think he wants some Swiss chalet now. We're gonna have to put the plotter in. What? Well, I'm not the daddy. I said what as if I was the daddy. Well, them kids are having fun anyway. That's the main thing, you know. That's what it's all about. And I guess I'm a kid because I'm having fun here. I ain't sunk yet, and knock on wood, I don't want to, because you probably won't receive this information, this message from me, this video, because it'd be gone. It'd be in the deep of the ocean. Well, not the ocean, the lake. It'd be deep of the Ontario Lake. I'm backwatering, backhaul, G. I used to team oxen and steers with my father when I was a kid. I was 13 years old. I had a t-shirt on the front of it said Hacks Bar. Guaranteed it's from the States, because we got a lot of our used shirts from a used clothing store from the States. We call it up here Frenchies. And Hacks Bar, maybe some of my American subscribers knows where a place called Hacks Bar. Yeah, I was 13, big head of blonde hair, weighed about 120 pounds, 125, 30 pounds, I guess. All muscled up. I was a farm boy. Yep, and I shoveled manure for, at one point, 32 head Dad had, 32 head of cattle. That was his peak, I think. What do I know? I don't know. He might have had more. But he would do a lot of, I would hang around a lot of the farmers and stuff, and the ox pull people. And Frank Gable, he had oxen, steers and stuff. He was an avid cattle man. Still is at heart. I don't think he has any now. He's getting a little older there now. But Hilltown people, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean, like cattle and stuff. And Dad had horses. I remember Dad having a horse, and the horse was pretty smart. And we went in logging land. Dad had 100 acres in on the back of the Manzer Brothers store, Fred and Parker. And we go in there. That's where the farm is that my brother Mark has a farm ranch there. He did have a mink ranch. Brother Jack lives there with Norris in a trailer they geared all up for him. Nice place. But anyway, before anything was there, Dad would go in, he cut the trees, and he let the horse go, and tied up the reins, and the horse would go right out, walk right in the woods with the log, and he'd go out to the logging brow. That's the brow, meaning the place where you end up with your logs, and the truck comes and gets them, or whatever, right? So, the horse comes out, and I was following behind it. Dad tied up the reins, and the horse go out and stop automatically right by that log, or the logs. And I said, man, I thought that was pretty cool. How an animal could be so smart. But they are smart. Sometimes it's the humans that's not as smart. You know what I mean? But it looks like to me I might go in. I'm really enjoying myself, to be honest with you. I'm having fun, and it doesn't seem like destination we're going to. This is the trip we're on. It's the voyage. It's what makes it so nice. Nice and invigorating. It's a fancy word, guys. Invigorating and so excited and stimulating. It's crazy stuff, isn't it? Well, I see some people getting up now. They're on their phones talking and doing their thing and starting a fresh morning, you know. I apologize for my video being not very viewing because I got it stuck into my my phone. It's stuck into my life jacket, and you probably can't see anything. And maybe you see bits and pieces. So bear with me, and I'm just taking you guys on a trip, you know. And God bless you guys, and may you be a blessing. And smile. I'm going to show you my ugly mug. I never did my hair today. I don't want to lean too much because... Okay, we got to go. Yeah. It's a good way to wash my face right here on this Lake Ontario lake water. One hand jobby. Okay. Okay. Smile. Moral smile.